Up first this evening, two children were burnt to death in a house fire in Clarendon this morning. From all indications, the babies may have been left at the house alone, which is why the police are now considering charging one of their relatives. When our news team arrived at the one-bedroom concrete structure in Hayesfield District, Clarendon, only the charred walls and rubble were left. Among the rubble, the burnt remains of 4-year-old Kayla Tomlinson and her 3-year-old sister, Abigail Tomlinson. The deadly blaze started sometime after 11 o'clock Thursday morning.
I in my house, laying down, I hear my name of them bawling out, say, fire, fire, fire. And when I run around this way, I see my daughter's house on fire.
The children's father, Owen Tomlinson, says he was at work on a construction site nearby.
Yes, sir. See, a big smoke in the air. And we come at it. Everything over, nothing to see. Our house on fire. Nothing more we can do. And then fire me say, in the city, nothing more we can do.
Firefighters carried out cooling down operations and the police have started their investigations. Head of the Clarendon Police Division, Senior Superintendent Glenford Miller, gave us an update.
From information that we would have received and garnered on the ground, the mother of the children said that she would have left them in the care of her father and took some meals for her spouse, who was on a construction site. While she left the children and went to the construction site, the citizens in the area would have saw smoke coming from the premises. Rushed there, they realized that the house was actually engulfed in flames. The police was summoned and as also the fire brigade. On the arrival of the police and the members of the fire brigade, they would have discovered the two children burnt as a result of the fire.
It's understood that the children's mother collapsed after realizing that the girls perished in the blaze. The cause of the fire is still not known. Nonetheless, the police say they are not ruling out charging someone for the children's tragic death.
We're investigating to confirm the cause of the fire and also to confirm if there was any negligence in relation to the children losing their life. If after the investigation we have found that there are any negligence, we the police will be taking the necessary action and charges will be laid on persons responsible.